Today I'm going to give you a special recipe for something that is called spray, and you can spray it of your sick joints. This is specially intended for everyone who suffers from rheumatoid arthritis in your hand, elbows, maybe in your spine, knees, hip, on any kind of sick joints that you have. This special natural spray can alleviate your inflammation, pain, and similar kind of problems in a couple of minutes. This is Peppermint and Eucalyptus Muscle Soothing Spray. Intended use: offers quick relief for the muscle soreness and tightness with the cooling effect of peppermint and eucalyptus. Ingredients: 1/2 cup witch hazel, 10 drops of peppermint essential oil, 10 drops eucalyptus essential oil, half cup of distilled water. Spray bottle. Preparation: in a spray bottle, combine witch hazel, distilled water, peppermint and eucalyptus essential oils. Shake it well to the mix. Spray directly on the sore muscle as needed, avoiding the face and sensitive areas. Usually you take this spray it on your sick joints 3 to 4 times daily. Before any use, just shake it well, this kind of spray, and this is perfectly natural way to get better, and what is most important, in a safe way. For the last 25 years after I finished college, I'm working with the patient from all around the world. My specialty is natural remedies, nutrition, and physical therapy and rehabilitation. Every year I help thousands of people from all around the world. If you want to know how you can cure your diseases through natural remedies and a healthy lifestyle, call my office, MarioLab Center in Croatia, at +385 98 917 9200. Feel free to contact us through Viber, WhatsApp, or visit my website MarioLab.hr, where you can find many more information about my work and how I can help you. I have put my knowledge of natural remedies and nutrition in my 3 books. My 3 books is about the nutrition. First one is Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity, and next 2 are about nutrition and the natural remedies that can help you a lot. The books are also available on English language on my website MarioLab.hr. All information you have all below the video. My help is available to all of you from all around the world. If you are from North or South America, Africa, Asia, the Middle East, Australia, or Europe, take advantage of my private phone consultation. Call my MarioLab Center right now, make an appointment, and I will make sure for you to get better in natural way with any kind of side effects, as I've been doing for the last 25 years.